U.S. and NATO forces participate in the Polish Armed Forces Day Parade in Warsaw, Poland. The event showcased multinational military partnership and celebrated Poland's national holiday honoring the nation's armed forces. U.S. Army soldiers marched alongside Allied forces during Poland Armed Forces Day Parade in Warsaw, highlighting the strength of the NATO alliance and the commitment to collective defense. Soldiers from the 1st Battalion, 64th Armored Regiment, 3rd Infantry Division, Task Force Iron, represented U.S. Army Europe and Africa in the annual celebration, which honors the service and sacrifice of Poland's armed forces. The unit, currently deployed to Poland, joined multinational formations as thousands of spectators lined the streets of the capital. The parade featured troops and military vehicles from Poland and NATO allies, including the United States, Romania, and the United Kingdom, as well as a ceremonial flyover conducted by U.S. and Polish AH-64 Apaches. For Task Force Iron soldiers, the event served as both a cultural exchange and a visible reminder of NATO unity. Poland welcomed our participation in the Armed Forces Day Parade, said Lieutenant Colonel William Branch, NATO Multinational Battle Group, Poland commander. It was a wonderful experience that demonstrated not only our partnership within NATO, but also Poland's significant investment in its own defense. Armed Forces Day, known in Poland as Święto Wojska Polskiego, is a national holiday honoring the service and sacrifice of Poland's military. It also commemorates the Battle of Warsaw, a pivotal engagement remembered for demonstrating the nation's ability to overcome a numerically superior force. Today, the observance underscores Poland's role within NATO and its ongoing collaboration with allied militaries. Task Force Iron, part of the 3rd Infantry Division, supports Operation Atlantic Resolve while deployed to the U.S. Army European Command Area of Operation. The mission strengthens NATO's eastern flank through training, deterrence, and partnership with European allies. U.S. participation in the parade reaffirmed the long-standing defense relationship between the United States and Poland, a key NATO ally hosting rotational U.S. forces. Poland is a premier defense partner, Branch said. As the NATO battle group, we are privileged to serve alongside the Polish armed forces on NATO eastern flank. Task Force Iron supports Operation Atlantic Resolve while deployed to the U.S. Army European Command Area of Operation. The mission strengthens NATO eastern flank through training, deterrence, and partnership with European allies.
Yeah, it's up there.
Okay, before you get on.
Kanske.